Hello, everyone. The saint that I have chosen is Saint Isidore the Farmer, who was born in 1080 in Madrid, Spain. From a young man, he lived as a simple and humble life as a farmer. Despite his ordinary work, Saint Isidore was known for his strong faith, deep humility, and dedication to hard work and helping others, especially the poor. He always put God first, taking time each day for prayer, and he was especially kind to the poor and those in need. People admired not only his hard work, but also his willingness to share whatever he had, showing that holiness can shine in everyday life. Saint Isidore's life teaches me that I don't need to be famous or powerful to be close to God. Even in the fields, tending to crops and animals, he demonstrated a life fully devoted to God's will. Many stories tells how angels would help him plow the fields while he prayed, showing that God blessed his work and faith. Because of his holy life, Saint Isidore was canonized in 1622 by Pope Gregory VII. One of the miracles attributed to him involved the healing of a man who was gravely ill. After prayers were offered through Saint Isidore's intercession, the man experienced a complete and unexplainable recovery, which was later investigated and approved by the Vatican. The Church examines each reported miracle carefully, considering both medical evidence and spiritual factors, to making sure that there were no natural explanation. What makes Saint Isidore's story truly inspiring for me is that it shows faith, kindness, and devotion can lead to extraordinary blessings. His examples reminds me that holiness is not just for monks, priests, or scholars. It can be lived out in simple, humble ways, even as a farmer. God used his life to reveal his love, power, and care for his people. In our modern world, where life can feel fast and overwhelming, St. Isidore's life encourages me to live faithfully, work diligently, and show love to others, no matter how ordinary our daily life task may seem. By following his examples, I can learn that serving God and helping others in simple ways is a path to holiness. So today, I must remember that Saint Isidore as the farmer